specific directives to the AFP following the bombings in Jolo? You were there yesterday.
Well, you have to arrest and look and arrest for the killers. Go into a punitive action.
Sinabi niyo, sir, kumbaga destroy the ASG. Although the investigation is still ongoing, are you convinced?
That is always my order. Destroy the Abu Sayyaf, destroy the NPA, and destroy the drug organization. If destroying is killing, if you are interested to know, yes, better para sa...
When you issue that directive, sir, does that mean that you are convinced because investigations are still ongoing about the perpetrators of the attack?
Trabaho ng pulis yan.
But are you saying or do you think that it is the ASG?
Yes, we are sure of that. Walang iba. Nobody can perpetuate that kind of terrorism. Thereabout sa lugar na I have no doubt. That is what the military told me, and that is what the police relayed to me. And I am guided by what the government workers would tell me.
Hi, sir. Sir, a few months ago, you directed an entire division, army division in Jolo, Sulu. Ibig po sabihin na meron po kayong alam na threat doon sa area?
We were already warned, not only by Indonesia, by the rest of the... Kaya may umiikot na military doon. Kasi babae. Wala namang... It's not the norm in this country to yung magkap-kap ka ng babae na simbahan, lalo.
Sir, kasi dahil sa dami ng mga sundalo na nandun, and on top of that, martial law is effective in Mindanao. Do you think na meron pong lapses doon sa security?
No, I don't think so. Walang lapses doon because the other bomber was outside. There was no reason for him to be frisked. Either he was just passing by before blowing himself up. Ang problema yan kasi yung babae was wearing a cross pa. Malaking cross sa dibdib niya. So who would ever think that when those are the yung Murphy's Law. If anything can go wrong, it will go wrong. Misapprehension or misappreciation, lahat na contributed, but we are not washing our hands. Every time that there is death of a Filipino by violence, unless of course lumaban sa police o military, that is a failure in governance to protect the people and the Filipino. And we admit that those lapses in our responsibility.